you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. In today's video I am bringing you another whining tutorial, but today we are gonna be whining kneeling down on our knees. I know that sounds difficult, which it is, but if you want to learn, if you want to spice things up, if you want to learn how to give your man a lap dance, you better keep watching because we're getting spicy over here, okay? I'm joking, but this is definitely gonna help you, you know, to spice things up, whatever. But yeah, with that being said, let's get started. So first thing that you want to grab when you're doing this whining dance, you have to grab your yoga mat or your workout mat, something that is a bit soft, or you can do that on your bed. Today I'm doing it on my bed because yeah, I want to do it on my bed today. And then yeah, I'm going to show you the first thing you have to position. Oh my god, it's so dark. First thing, you have to position your feet like this. You have to position your feet like this. Is it showing? Yeah, your feet, they have to be like this. If you put your feet like this, you won't be able to do anything. You will be doing this. So the first step is to position your feet like this, in this position. So this is how you're going to start. So now we're going to do the first step. You are going to position yourself like this. Trust me, it's going to hurt. Your feet are going to be hurting, but if you really want to do this, yeah, you have to do it. So the first step is moving yourself up, down, or down, up. So you're moving like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can repeat that step as many times as you can because yeah, it's not easy. So now we're going to do that step a little bit fast. Position yourself again, and then you move up, down, up, down, up, down. You're just moving your bum up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And in between you can stretch your legs. So now we're going to move on, because this is not easy. We're not doing a lot. Position your feet again. So second thing that you don't want to do is to do this. Stand up. It's going to look like you're struggling. So you want to move your waist forward and then draw a circle with your waist. Not like this. It's going to look like you're struggling. Oh my god. Let's try that again. So you want to position yourself like this, and then you start drawing a circle with your waist like this. We're not doing anything, just draw a circle with your waist. You don't have to do this to stand up. You're not showing people your full body, but you want to showcase your waist. So that's why you have to do this to draw a circle. Oh my god. Oh, this is painful. Oh god. I hope my shirt is closed. So when you're done with that, you want to repeat that again. Front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back. So now that we have tried the up down and drawing a circle, and then side front side back, side front side back, and we're going to move on, try to combine that, the last part that we did. So you position yourself. I'm trying to be fast, my camera is almost off. So we are going to combine the front side back side front together. So it's going to look like this. You don't want to do this. It's definitely going to look like you're struggling. If you want some help, you can hold onto your feet like this and you do this. Okay, so I already showed you. Oh my god, my feet. I already showed you 2 steps, the up down, and the front side back, side front, side back. I'm going to show you the last part, like the last step. It's almost the same as up down, but it's not the same. So you want to position yourself again, and you want to move up, front, up, front, up, front, up, front. I don't know if you understand what I mean. And we're going to try to do that first, the last part, and then we're going to put some music. I'm going to start with the back. Now we're doing this fast. 1, 2, 3. My knees are killing me, but now we're going to add the music. We're going to combine everything together. Start with I'm out of breath. We're gonna start with up, down, and then draw the circle. It's also the same as front, side, back, side, front, side, back. It's almost the same. When I was saying draw the circle, it was just to get the gist of how you do that. And then lastly, we're going to do this moving up, front, up, front, up, front. So I'm going to add my music now, and we're going to combine everything together. Jesus. 1, 2, 3. You guys, I have to say this was a full workout. My knees are killing me right now, but it's for the best, if you know what I mean, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share, like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. just subscribe. We're getting lit over here. I'm bringing you some spicy videos. You better subscribe because I know you're gonna come back. But yeah, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.